Hey there, struggling with your Honeywell thermostat and feeling the chill? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix a Honeywell thermostat with simple steps that you can follow to get it back up and running smoothly. Whether it's not turning on or not heating or cooling properly or behaving erratically, we've got the solutions for you. Step 1, check the basics. Before diving into complex solutions, ensure the basics are covered. First, verify that your thermostat is powered on. Make sure it's properly connected to a power source, either battery-operated or hardwired. If it uses batteries, replace them with fresh ones for good measure. For hardwired units, carefully inspect wiring connections to ensure none are loose or corroded. Additionally, check the circuit breaker to ensure it's not tripped. Step 2, verify settings. Next, review your thermostat settings. Sometimes the issue might simply be incorrect programming. Ensure your thermostat is set to the correct mode, either heat, cool, or auto, depending on the season and your preference. Set the desired temperature a few degrees higher or lower than the room temperature to prompt the system to turn on. Double-check the schedule settings to confirm they aren't conflicting with your immediate temperature needs. Step 3, reset the thermostat. If the basics don't resolve the issue, try resetting your Honeywell thermostat. This can resolve many software glitches. To do this, locate the reset button, usually a small recessed button on the thermostat. Use a small object like a paperclip to hold the button for about 10 seconds. Alternatively, look for a factory reset or restore default settings option in your thermostat's menu. Once reset, you'll need to reprogram your unit, but this often clears the underlying issue. Step 4, examine the wiring. If resetting doesn't work, consider inspecting the wiring behind the thermostat. Turn off the power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker for safety. Remove the thermostat faceplate and inspect the wires. Look for any loose, corroded, or frayed wires and ensure each wire is connected to the correct terminal based on your model's manual. If you're uncertain about handling wiring, it's advisable to consult a professional to avoid damage or safety hazards. Step 5, ensure proper calibration. Sometimes the thermostat may be calibrated incorrectly, causing temperature discrepancies. Most thermostats have a calibration option allowing you to fine-tune temperature readings. Refer to your thermostat's manual for instructions on accessing this setting. Use a separate, accurate thermometer to compare room temperature readings and adjust your thermostat's offset accordingly. Proper calibration ensures your system operates efficiently and maintains your comfort. Step 6, seek professional help. If you've tried all the above steps and your Honeywell thermostat still isn't working, it might be time to call in a professional. Complex HVAC issues can go beyond DIY capabilities and require expertise. A certified technician can assess whether the problem lies within the thermostat or the HVAC system itself, ensuring a precise and effective resolution. Now you know how to fix a Honeywell thermostat with confidence. Addressing thermostat issues can be a straightforward process of checking power, verifying settings, and ensuring proper wiring and calibration. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot common problems and restore your thermostat's functionality. Remember, when in doubt, seeking professional help is always a safe bet. Stay cozy and comfortable with your Honeywell thermostat back on track.